Hi Internet, what's up? It's Audrey from Audrey Creates Stuff. Today I'm going to be doing something I haven't done in a very long time. Me and my sister Sierra are going to do a toy unboxing video. I'm not gonna stall very long with a long intro or anything, but let's get to it. The two toy brands we're going to be unboxing today are L.O.L Surprise. If you don't know what L.O.L Surprise is, they're basically these dolls that come in these little balls, and they have like clothes, a water bottle, accessories, but you never know which doll you're gonna get. So that's what I really like about these, like the element of surprise. The series we have today is L.O.L Surprise All-Star Babies and L.O.L Surprise Boys. So let's get to unboxing. But before we do, I would like to introduce to you Sierra! Sierra, enter the room.
Hey y'all, this is Natalie here.
Yep, there she is.
Oh,
Alright, let's get to it for real.
Okay, let's start opening.
So what you do with these is you gotta like unzip the zipper, like that, and then you peel.
Cheeto hands.
Yeah.
Or Dorito.
And then you gotta peel it off. I'm gonna do the same with mine.
And like Sierra. No wait, Audrey, say Sierra. What the?
Sierra, why are you saying your own name? Is that what you're gonna name your doll?
Sierra. Yeah.
Okay, so after some layers of unwrapping, I got what looks like a bottle. So I'm just gonna put it aside and then continue unwrapping the final layer. Sierra has a unique way to open her ball. Okay, so here we've got mine. I'm gonna take that. Oh, I thought it was empty. Just gonna put them all aside. So after you're rid of all the plastic, this is what the L.O.L All-Star BB's ball looks like. It's like a baseball. That's really cool. And mine is like a neon yellow. It's really cool. I like that one. Oops, Sierra's got her first baggie.
Is this the doll? I should open it now.
Don't open the doll first. Are you crazy? Okay. What'd you get? Ooh, she got a headband. That looks cute. Okay, next. She has... Ooh, a little red water bottle. That looks so cute.
With some pink.
Yeah. Next up, she has a...
outfit.
Ooh, let's zoom in on that. That's blurry. Oh, that is so cute.
Weird items.
Okay, I'm saying cute a lot. I'm not going to call the next item cute. It's so cute. Wait, let me see it. It's a little gold baseball mitt. Wait. Oh my gosh, like look at the detail.
Bag.
Oh, she's opening another. And she has... Oh! Put all your stuff in here. Oh, she's got shoes. Ooh, little pom-poms. That's so cute. Okay, now it's my turn. We're going to hold off opening the dolls until later. So, here are mine. Yeah, hang on.